Now, KLBK's first warning weather with meteorologist Chris Whited.
Well, for about 98% of us, it's been a quiet day here across the South and Rolling Plains, unless you were in southern Gaines and southern Dawson County. We had a couple of severe storms early this evening down in that area, but storms have pretty much dissipated across the region. Here in the Hub City, we have mostly clear conditions tonight as we take a look at the Overton East live sky view, and we expect mostly clear conditions to continue across the area as we go through the night tonight. Just a few high clouds here and there, and same deal for tomorrow. On the radar, we have quiet conditions around the area. Had a couple of showers at the top of the show down in southern parts of Gaines County. Those have dissipated. This is ground clutter around the Lubbock radar site. Some of the wind turbines being picked up around the area as well. Still a warm night, 80 degrees here in Lubbock. It's 77 in Seminole, also 77 in Muleshoe and Tulia, 74 in Floydada. Spur, you're at 81, and Post also reporting 81 degrees. The wind this evening out of the southeast, anywhere between about 5 and 15 miles per hour, and that's about where the winds will stay through the night tonight. And it is a little humid out there because we do have some higher dew points with that southeasterly wind. Dew points in the 60s over most of the South Plains, even some low 70s in parts of the Rolling Plains area, and a little bit drier out here toward the state line and in eastern New Mexico. We'll let this loop through again last 6 hours. There's your storms kind of popping up in the far southern portions of our area. A couple of those were severe, and then they also caused some severe activity as they moved down toward the Midland, Odessa area, but everything pretty much dissipating now. Look real closely. There's that last little shower that fell apart in the last 20 minutes along the state line. And most of the activity today has been in the Permian Basin, Trans-Pecos, and down in the Big Bend area. Of course, we had a boundary come through today, and that really pushed the storm chances well down to our south. Now, as we go through the night tonight, we're expecting mostly clear conditions around the area. Right behind me, you can see a little cluster of storms in parts of Oklahoma. That's about the closest we'll see any rain tonight. For the period starting off your day on Sunday, we're looking for mostly sunny conditions, and we're mostly sunny at the noon hour. Now, in the afternoon, the models have been trying to pop up a couple of isolated storms here. I did mention an isolated storm in the forecast for tomorrow, but really the story for your Sunday is going to be the hot weather with numbers in the upper 90s, low 100s here, and we'll repeat that as we go into Monday. In fact, Monday could be even hotter. We could be looking at numbers well into the low 100s across the area. Speaking of low 100s, this forecast model has our high tomorrow in Morton, Levelland, and Littlefield at 102. About 99 here in Lubbock. That could easily be 100. These 98s for Plainview and Tulia could easily be up around 100 as well. 97 in Floydada, 98 in Rawls, 99 in Matador, 100 out in King County for the Guthrie area. Also 100 for Jayden, Lake Allen Henry, 101, as well as Tahoka, O'Donnell, 103 in Denver City, and 103 in Seminole. Mostly clear tonight, 65 your overnight low. We'll keep that southeast breeze around 5 to 15. A southwest wind tomorrow, 99 for the high. And we'll see that slight chance of a storm. And really what happens tomorrow, we'll see the dry line start to mix off to the east, and it's along and ahead of the dry line we could see that very isolated storm. Now, a very hot day on Monday. I think everybody's going to be in the triple digits. Then we have a cold front due in here on Tuesday. And Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we do have a chance for a few thunderstorms out there. Cooler though, highs dropping back into the mid 80s. And then as we head toward next weekend, we'll start to see things starting to warm back up, and pretty mild at night, temperatures into the middle 60s.
So even though we'll see some storms, Father's Day will still be nice.
Father's Day will be nice. It will be hot though.
Oh no. I almost wish for rain on those days then. All right, thank you so much, Chris.
You're welcome.
We'll be right back after the break.